How to fix no notification sounds at all for new messages on your Android phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if your Android phone does not actually has a notification sound but you do receive the notification. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So sometimes what happens is that you might receive a notification of a certain message, but then you simply don't get to listen to the sound. The very first thing you can simply check is, it's a little bit funny, but you have to actually check if your phone is in silent mode. So you can scroll down and you can also see this crossed out icon. It simply means that my phone is actually on the silent mode. If you want to remove from silent mode, you have to tap on it. You can see it's on the ring version. Make sure that your volumes are also set to the maximum level right over here. You can tap on it and you have the media volume, you have the notification and ringtone volumes. Make sure they are all set high. So first of all, check whether your phone is in silent mode or not. If that is not the case and you do receive notifications but you don't hear the sound, it could also simply mean that you have not actually set a notification sound. So in order to set a notification sound yourself, you have to go ahead and then simply open up settings. Once you open up your settings app, you'll be able to see a list of different options. Over here, tap on notifications and status bar. As you tap on notifications and status bar, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. Over here, you want to simply look for the option which says default notification sound right at the bottom of the screen. So I will tap on default notification sound, and as you can see, it says default notification sound. Now if you've not been receiving any type of notification sound, it could also mean that the notification sound is set to none. When it is set to none, no matter what kind of notifications you receive, you will not be able to hear a sound. So simply ensure that you're actually using a particular sound from this list, and that would simply fix your issue. Hopefully one of these would have helped you solve your problem. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.